Good morning, my name is Leonardo Fernandez. I'm a student Technology Administrative Management Program and mandatory technical English too. Uh, this activity is free. 10 sentences about the activities that you sold to after purchase making. Uh, um, activities after meeting and purchase. 1. Ordering the items leads to will budgeting to suppliers. 2. I am going to negotiate the sale value many items in the meeting. 3. Always ask how many items going to arrive to purchase order. Always oversee the quality of the products. It's very important. 5. Determining at meeting in the payment method. It's important the payment method for the business in count. 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 6. It's going to make the purchase order. 7. I'm going to have see the space to store purchase supplies. The space in store is very important for items. Item is important to store and guardar the store. I review the purchased items and supervise his quality. Quality is very important for the products of the company. I'm going to approve the payment of the merchandise received for providers. It's the entering the inventory system for the company. While the company is element. Thank you.